Hey Geniverse, what's up? I hope you're feeling all amazing today. This video is about cheating. What about cheating? As you can see here in the screen, I'm on the mainframe. I'm logged in on the mainframe, and I click the pending items, and then I click the pending royalty. So basically, this is where we claim the key tokens from our harvester, or if you had harvested your own habitat, you can also claim it from here. Now, I have a harvester that I hired a few weeks ago, and then now I'm trying to claim after 14 days some of his key token that he harvested. And as you can see on the screen, the player is banned. I also tried the other one just to see that it is not an error. And even if I keep trying every single day, it will just keep showing as player is banned. So what happens is, obviously the developers had banned this Walker player for the ground of cheating. So what are the cheating that is happening in Genopets? Most of the time, I think it's with the very high amount of steps that were banked on the app. Now, if you're asking me how did they cheated or how were they able to execute this cheating mechanism, I don't know the answer. But for sure, there are apps out there that made them gain steps with fewer steps. So it's very unfortunate for us, the landlords, that we just tried to, we just tried our best to share or put our habitat with them, and yet they're still doing all this different stuff to cheat the system, which is in general not good for the game. Now, what I figured out based on some recommendations is this is, I think, the most effective way for us, the landlord, if you're going to rent out your habitat, is ask them for the screenshot. I'm going to show you on the actual app on my phone. So this is basically Genopets. This is me. See, level 24, as you know. You click that icon on the, it's like a clock on the right. So basically, this will give you the steps history that the player has. So as you can see, this is my step for the past week. Okay, so get a copy of this, get a screenshot of this, and then you also ask them to give you a screenshot of the Google Fit, or if you're using an iPhone like me, you click Help, and then you will be able to see the summary of a, say, weekly, monthly steps that they made. So just click, I just click steps and then click, say, by week. And you can compare how much they had truly walked or moved using this. And then you go back to the, oops, where is that? Sorry. And then again, you go back to the Genopets app and you can compare. Like, for example, Feb 12. Feb 12, I'm around 9247, right? Feb 12, 9247. So if I go to the iOS, so as you can see, this is from Feb 12. The Feb 12 is on the left. So as you can see, it matches. And then Monday, Feb 13, it's around 5 something, right? Based on this. So if I go back to Genopets, Feb 13, I'm around 5125. Feb 14, Valentine's Day, I'm around 6556. And then we go back to the health. So Tuesday, so I'm above 6,000. So basically, this is a very good indication that the real steps were done properly, because it matched closely to the iOS Health Kit or the Google Fit. So I guess this is all the tips that I can give to the landlords, just in case you want to know if the walkers or harvesters of the app is honest. Okay, now I want to speak in behalf of the players. Please, let's do this properly, because all of us just want to play the game, be fit, and obviously earn key, but not to the expense of cheating the system, because eventually the developers have their own way to figure that out. And too bad, once you get caught, they will ban your account. You need to go to the process of unbanning. And I'm pretty sure if they will ever unban you, they will let you start again from scratch. And that's very, very painful. And also, you're also putting us, the landlord, on the bad track of not being able to also harvest the key that you had cheated on. So yeah, I'm appealing to all of you that, let's be fair and use the app properly and not to cheat the system. I guess this is my best way to inform all of you that this thing is really happening in the real world, and hopefully if we cannot eliminate all, at least we can minimize them. Now, since I've removed all my harvesters, I'm still figuring out how many habitats can I lend soon. If you are honest enough and you think you got what it takes to prove me that your walk is consistent and not being cheated on, possibly I may entertain some, but I don't know how many. Possibly only one or two. I'm not yet sure. But for, just keep trying. If you will not get it from me, there's a lot on the Discord server. Go to the Genopets Discord server and you click habitat rental. You can post your current Genopets level here. If I were you, you really want to get the attention of the landlords, you put a screenshot of your Google Fit or your iOS health kit, and then put a screenshot of your steps history that makes it that they are matching. Then I guess that's a good indication that you are really doing it properly. And guys, the other big thing that I can say that you are honest. Again, based on experience, it's very hard. It's very hard to get 10,000 steps. It's like you need an hour minimum to get that, or at least 1.5. So if I can see that you only walk for a certain minute and the steps are so high, it's a very, very big indications that you are cheating. Because again, I'm walking myself, so I know how long will it take to hit a specific steps. All right, so yeah, I hope you find value in this content that I create. Please hit that like button if you do, and also please subscribe if you hadn't subscribed yet for more NFT projects that I also showcase in this channel. As usual, all the links that you need related to Genopets are on the description of this video, including the websites, the Twitter page, my own Discord account. They're all in the links in my video. So if you need to reach out or join my Discord group, please feel free to check the links. So yeah, let me know, guys, what are your experiences so far in terms of if you've seen, you've heard, you've experienced yourself cheating Genopets, then I want to know, I want to hear how you were affected. And again, please, I appeal to all the players, let's not cheat the system. Let's do it properly. When you hit a real 10,000 step, the first beneficiary, the first one who will benefit from that is you, because you had exercise. And the app is just a secondary when you level up your pets or when you harvest key. That's it, Genoverse. Until next time, let's go and play.